Hello students, in the last session we have learned about the potential energy and the kinetic energy. Now in this session we are going to learn about the wheels. The wheels are invented several thousand years ago. Now we will learn about necessity of wheel. Before the invention of wheels, man used to carry goods on his head, and man used to walk a long distance. But slowly they started to invent some objects to pull the weight. Can you see on this image? They used a wooden block that is easy to move by sliding on the surface. So it was little harder than the wheels. Then slowly they started to think of making animals to pull the weight, and they started to use some cylindrical wooden blocks to roll on the surface so that they can easily pull the weight. So this idea has emerged into a wheel. So what is a wheel? It is a round, spherical or a cylindrical object. So it is round in shape and it has a hole at the center. So we can insert a rod into this hole. So whenever we rotate that rod, this whole cylinder will move, so that we can move an vehicle. So the axle is the rod that is inserted at the center. Now the cylinder rotates with the center point, and if we connect four wheels to a wooden surface or a plate, then it forms a small vehicle or a cart. So we can pull heavy load easily by using this vehicle. This was the first wheel, but it was used for making pots. So they used to rotate the wheel and made some pots. After that they used for pulling the vehicles using animals. And now we shall have a look on the modern wheels and the wheels we use in our daily life.
Children, we have already made a small cart and we have used the bottle caps as wheels. And can you see there is a small stick in between these free rolling part and the wheel. So this rod is the axle. So these axles connect two wheels together. So these two wheels are connected to each other, and if we rotate one wheel, the wheel at the opposite end also rotates. So the axle is used to connect two wheels together, and it is placed at the bottom of the vehicle through another rod so that it freely rotates. So usually this axle will be connected to the vehicle through a bearing. So we will learn about bearings in the upcoming sessions. So now we have learnt about the wheel and its axle. So here this small stick is the axle. So whenever we rotate this axle, the wheel will also rotate, and we need to insert it into the bearing. So here we are using this plastic tube as a bearing. Okay, So we will learn about bearings in the upcoming session. Okay children, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.